Viewer, I have taken that elliptical shape vertically in a canvas. We will use another shape here. Let's make the changes there again. Try the new shapes and designs. Here we are. So let's make the shapes again. We are using for the designs. I will try another shape. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's explore the changes.